goes. There it goes. There it goes. Woohoo. Yes. Just awesome. Goes. Already out of view of this. Not doing anything weird. Oh, I can't catch it now. Oh, shit. Come on, it's hard to carry two cameras. Ha! Motherfucker. Come on, stay with it. Can't find it with this one. Come on, where'd you go? There it is. Still up there. Shit. Sorry, y'all. I'm using two cameras and trying to use both cameras at the same time and keep them focused is fucking crazy. This one's already out of focus. I can't see it on it no more. Sucks. There it is. You can still see it. Barely. Come on, clear up. I've lost it. Oh well. It's gone into space. And I didn't see anything strange from it, so. Oh well. That was the rocket launch. Big little event. I can still see it with my eyes, just can't pick it up with the camera. Cell phone cameras suck in the dark. well, it's out of my sight now. Ow, motherfucker. Ow, fucking sand spurs. Oh, motherfuckers. That's Orion coming up over the horizon over there. I doubt you could see it in the camera. Can't see shit with this camera. You can see any of these stars? Nope. Nope, not a star one. Oh well. Okay.